Hi friends, Erica here at the Little Blue House Farm in Mexico, here with the girls. We're ready to go, friends.
All our stuff are packed.
We're all packed and ready. So come along with us and our vacation back to Mexico. Our journey is over in the United States and now we're going to Mexico.
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse. Tired? Oh, we're here at the airport.
You need help?
Yes. Look how beautiful this is. This is awesome. We are at O'Hare, waiting for our departure to Dallas, and then from there we will go to Morelia, Michoacan to see my hubby. It's so windy out there.
I'm invited to board. Thank you for being with us today.
We're leaving, Mommy, in a minute. Cassie's tired. Huh? It's almost our turn, baby. We're ready to fly. Where are we gonna go? Who are we gonna go see?
Mommy, my eyes are real hot.
Yeah, we're gonna go sleep right now. You can go sleep if you want. Who are we gonna go see? Who you gonna go see?
Puppy.
Puppy. You happy? Are you excited to see Puppy?
Minnie Mouse. Mommy.
Are you excited to see Puppy? Yes? We're coming home, honey.
Guys. I'm gonna fly.
Yeah, in a minute.
All flights are non-smoking, including e-cigarettes, vape devices, and smokeless tobacco. It's against the law to tamper with, disable, or destroy the lavatory smoke of the airplane. The safety card in your seat pocket.
Goodbye, Chicago.
Why is it going down?
Oh, you see that?
It's just so many cars.
drive to Dallas. Still landing.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned on. And keep the aisle clear.
I thought O'Hare was big. Oh my God. This is huge. Come on, Monita. We had to hurry up because we were running out of time. We had to get to the next plane, but we stopped in the bathroom because Cassie was puking. We got off in D38. We gotta go all the way to D2. Oh, it looks like Teddy.
Mommy, can this?
Next stop is Morelia. I'm tired. I haven't slept since last night. I'm super tired.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are landing.
We just
Por su
landed,
seguridad, si les
friends.
pedimos de favor que permanezcan sentados con sus cinturones seguramente abrochados hasta que hemos llegado a la sala. Que el capitán haya apagado la señal del cinturón de seguridad.
We're here.
Esa será la única indicación de que es seguro moverse alrededor de la cabina.
Excited to see
Tengan cuidado al
my
abrir el
husband.
compartimento superior ya que objetos pueden
She's
caer y
excited
lastimar a
once she
alguien.
wakes up, but she
Tómense
is
unos
tired.
minutos para checar su área.
We're back home with Papi. You back home with your puppy, Sodi? Yes. We're gonna have some lunch because we're hungry. miss the tacos.
That was my
Burros, vacas, caballos, and there's no water. What's wrong with that picture? Friends, I am exhausted. I need to go home and take a shower. Right now, we're gonna go see the Miss Ma'ams. I told Jose to go ahead and do it. He said, no, you do it to record. So we'll go ahead and record. I didn't bring him a snack or nothing, but I just got home. Well, I'm not even home yet. I haven't even made it home yet, I should say. Hi, Miss Ma'ams. Hi, Miss Ma'ams. You gotta check and see if they let an egg. Hello, hello. Somebody laying an egg in there, I see.
ouch. Miss Ma'am, Miss Ma'am, get out.
Dile, we wanna see huevitos.
Huevitos.
Go.
She won't bite?
It's like 100 degrees. At least it feels like, and Cass is wearing a whole big old black sweater.
Mommy, does she bite?
No.
No.
Just be careful with her. Don't hurt her. Are there any eggs in there?
There's 4, I think. Oh, one of them broke.
Oh, no. Let me see. Oh, yeah. One did break.
Sorry, Miss Ma'am.
We only got 4 eggs so far. But it's only 2 o'clock. But we're coming from the airport, so we just went ahead and stopped here. Oh, yeah.
No. There's another Miss Ma'am.
Jose's bringing water for them. And I'm not sure if it was a change of climate, but we're sick. My nose is running. My throat hurts a little bit. I just gave the girls medicine too. Somebody's back to her backyard chickens.
The brown one.
They're all brown, Mommy.
See, the brown is brown. The brown is brown.
I'm gonna wash that one.
Can I wipe it too? Can I wipe it too? Can I wipe it too?
It's stuck. I don't know what Puppy was using to clean them.
Dump it out. Why is it green?
Because the sun. Hey, that's my nail.
What?
She was trying to eat my nail.
Four. tu huevo, ¿no?
Amor, there was a broken egg. Mira. Oh, Sauri, look at your shoes.
Papi, that water is dirty.
Hay que traer cloro para hacer unas gotillas al agua, porque ya está
So dirty?
mucho calor y no aguanta.
Oh.
Vete para allá porque te va a cochar.
Vinegar también, ¿no? ¿O no?
Cloro. Hacer una tapaderita al agua. Se pone muy verde, muy rápido.
Yeah.
Pero siempre está fresca, ¿no? Ya está bien caliente.
Esa. Ay, sale una chicken. Te va acá, ahorita se mete, mami.
Vete para acá y te viene. Te voy a cocinar.
Gotta come back in.
They're gonna go eat in the one too.
Ay, it's okay. He didn't do nothing to you. We also did get some great news. We are gonna go pick up Teddy. He's better. I just called the vet as soon as I landed, and she said that he's ready to go home. So thanks for all the prayers. We're gonna go pick him up right now. Here's the cows. I think she's sleeping.
Why is there chickens over here?
Those are not ours though. We got one more Miss Ma'am to see. Hey, Miss Ma'am. Oh, and there's a huevito in there too.
No me go fit.
Yeah.
Could you pull it?
Oh, here. I have the huevitos in my other hand. You have to push it a little bit on top. There you go.
Another one.
Jose's gonna give her water. Or them. Friends, we got Teddy back.
So cute. He's like,
He's so happy to see us. He has to finish a treatment for pneumonia because he was vomiting and pooping at the same time, so he aspirated some of that vomit into his lungs and he got pneumonia from it. But thank God he's out. He's good. We still got to bring him for 3 more times for antibiotics, but he was able to go home with us today. It's a little dirty, but I can't give him a bath for a week, so that's okay. He'll be dirty, but we're happy he's home. Sorry I didn't record more, but I was super sick with the fever and fell asleep. Have a great and blessed night.